DHL just dropped off my box from Blackship.com. So Blackship.com is a package forwarding service. There are several Amazon Japan orders in this box that were combined and then shipped in one box. The items in this box are items that Amazon would not ship to me in the United States. But because I had a Blackship.com Japanese address, I was able to order all kinds of things that I was not able to get shipped to me in the United States. So I did not order extra bubble wrap and I did not order extra packaging. They did a really nice job. Wow. I'm impressed. I'm impressed with the way that they did this. Yeah. Good job, Blackship. I definitely like what I'm seeing. Vacuum cleaner bags. I gotta say, I'm really impressed with Blackship. Stuff for our Makita vacuum cleaner. I love that new XGT vacuum cleaner. I only got one of those. This was a freebie with that. This is the last one. I'm going to do a comparison video on these. Got some more of these laser etched. There was a minimum quantity for these. I had to order 3. I don't know if there's any cheaper options than Blackship. I really like the way that their website works, and I really like the whole process. Their whole process was good, it was efficient. Definitely going to use Blackship again. My subscribers leave me when I show stationery items. I don't know why, but they don't want stationery. This video is more about Blackship than it is about these tools. The funny thing about these two items, the flat one of this, Amazon would ship to me, and the Phillips one of this, Amazon would ship to me. But these two I had to order and get shipped to Blackship to get it to me because Amazon wouldn't ship these two to the United States. Got a review coming up on that. I'm just going to post this as a teaser video. So my affiliate link for Blackship will be in the description of this video. Now I don't know if Blackship is the cheapest. They had lots of shipping options. I chose one of the most expensive options, which was DHL, because I'm familiar with it. I think the shipping charge and all the Blackship fees came to $92. I'll put it up on the screen if I'm wrong. So I've ordered these in the past and Amazon shipped them to me, but for some reason now I had to use my Blackship Japan address to get more of these. These are those magnetic screwdriver holders that I reviewed before. Okay, this is the black one. Tool only, and it came in a bundle with this, and the price was really good on this. None of these things would ship to the United States from Amazon Japan directly. I created an account on Blackship.com. They had really good instructions for how to fill out the Amazon.com address fields with the correct Japanese information. I ordered a couple of small things and they showed up at Blackship, and Blackship took photos of the delivery, photos of the labels. Email alerts were good and timely. The whole process I felt was a quality process. And so I felt like, okay, I'm going to add more of these small orders, and then when I felt like I had a big enough order but not too big, I had them combine all of the orders. So they opened up all the Amazon packages that arrived. They took the contents out, they bubble wrapped each one of these, put it in one box, and shipped it to me with my choice of shippers, and I chose DHL. Would have been cheaper with FedEx International. The next order I'm going to try FedEx International, and we'll see how that one goes. Right now the exchange rate from the US dollar to the yen is very much in our favor. And it seems like there's a growing number of things on Amazon Japan that come up as temporarily out of stock, or they won't ship it to the United States. On Amazon, when you switch your address to that Japanese address, suddenly it's in stock and you can order it. It'll ship quickly and efficiently to your Blackship.com address. Many of these items were also shipped from third-party sellers and third-party shippers, and there was no problem with those. All those orders came into Blackship.com, and then I had Blackship.com consolidate it. There was a fee for that. There was a fee for each order that came in. I think it was only a couple of bucks. You know, yes, it's more expensive than Amazon Japan just shipping you something from Japan to the United States. If you feel like exploring Blackship.com, click the link in the description of this video, sign up for Blackship.com, put that Japanese address in your Amazon Japan account, and just explore. You'll find all kinds of things that are suddenly not only in stock, they'll ship in days to Blackship. I also paid for priority handling, which puts me ahead of the line of people that don't pay for the priority handling just because of the time of year that it is. And I had to go through all of my Amazon invoices and take the cost of each item and put it into Blackship so that the customs declaration was exactly accurate for each item. I couldn't figure out how else to do the customs declaration, so I did that as a keychain. Screwdriver was easy. I think scissors, screwdriver, a folding knife, so folding knives. So my customs declaration for this was screwdriver set without battery. So if you decide to try Blackship.com, please use the link in the description of this video. I appreciate it very much. Stay tuned. I think this is going to be an interesting tool haul, and thank you for watching.